Weathering is the breakdown of rocks by physical, chemical, or biological processes. It takes place on site, so there is no movement involved. Physical weathering breaks down rock surfaces. During winter in the British Isles, temperatures are below 0 degrees Celsius on many nights, but above 0 degrees Celsius during the days. Water gets trapped in cracks in the rock, and it expands when it freezes at night, pressurizing the sides of the rock. During the day, the ice melts and contracts, releasing the pressure on the rock cracks. Alternating expansion and contraction weakens the rock and pieces break off. This is known as frost shattering. If this process happens to rocks at the top of a steep slope, it produces scree, which are piles of rock at the foot of the slope. Hot desert areas have a big daily range, from 35 degrees Celsius in the day to 10 degrees Celsius at night. Each day, surface layers of rock heat up and expand. At night, the cold makes them contract, and this causes thin layers to peel off. All of this warming up and cooling down can cause bits of rock to fall off. Plant roots, decay, and creatures cause biological weathering. Biological weathering is the breaking down of rock by organisms. Plant roots can grow down through cracks in rock surfaces and push them apart, loosening fragments. Decaying plants and animal remains make acids which eat away at the rocks below. Burrowing creatures like rabbits and worms break up softer rocks like clay. Chemical weathering involves reactions on the rock. Limestone areas are weathered when limestone reacts with rainwater, which is a weak acid. When it rains, the limestone rock is dissolved along weaknesses called joints. These are vertical weaknesses in the rock, and bedding planes. These are horizontal weaknesses. This process forms special features called solution features. Some examples of solution features are caves, swallow holes. This is where the river disappears down into the limestone. Clints. These are blocks of limestone. And grikes. These are the gaps between the blocks. And stalactites and stalagmites. These are where water droplets evaporate, leaving traces of limestone which grown on cave roofs and floors. Malham in North Yorkshire is a limestone area, and it has lots of solution features caused by chemical weathering. Granite areas react chemically, breaking down to form kaolin or china, like in Cornwall.